Hello, everyone. This is Rhonda Fore of VirtueWorksForYou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses and generate leads with visual content marketing and social media on hectic schedules with ease and with maximum productivity. And today's video is called Visual Communication: How to use visual communication in marketing, grow your business, and generate leads. Visual communication: how to use visual communication in marketing to grow your business and generate leads. So, visual communication in visual marketing is the most effective way to educate and engage your audience for long periods of time. Now, using the power of visual content helps you to easily communicate and break down your brand's message to your audience in a way that they would easily understand and remember. 3 ways using visual communication in your visual content strategy can help you grow your business and generate quality leads as follows in these 3 ways. Number 1, learning through visualization helps your audience to process information much faster and retain information much longer. Number 2, visual communication helps your audience grasp the concept of your message quickly and to look at ways of solving the problem or problems from different perspectives. Number 3, since people remember visuals more than words and numbers, your audience will have an increased understanding and longer memory of the details of your message. Okay, so if you find that you are having difficulty communicating your brand's message to your audience, we here at Virtue Works for You Creative can help you generate quality leads using visual content marketing and social media marketing to spread your brand's message far and wide, given the facts about visual communication and marketing. And so feel free to book your 30-minute discovery consultation. I will place the link in the description and, set you up a day and time so that we can talk about how to use visual communication and visual content marketing along with social media to help grow your business and generate leads. And if you love the content on this channel, please thumbs it up, share it out. If you love this content, also subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification symbol for alerts.